Hello everyone, this is review number 308 and this is MacBook 2017 and the model is 1708. It's MacBook Pro. Customer sent in to repair that it's not charging and the MacBook is not charging even when you plug in the adapter. So and the battery also bad, also need to be replaced. So this after replacing the battery and fix the motherboard, it's not able to charge and turn on. So let you know if you have the MacBook that is not charging, you have the charging issue or anything, contact my IT service for the services. Thank you. Bye bye.